So the AirPods Max has been out for a couple of weeks now, and just like many Apple products, they're quite pricey. So I tried looking for cheaper alternatives. It had to be cheaper, had to look stylish, has most of the features of the AirPods Max, and it had to be over-ear headphones like the Max, so the other AirPods models are out of the question. And it had to fit in the Apple ecosystem. I think I found it. These are the Beats Studio 3s, released 2 years ago, and I think these are the best Apple over-ear headphones you can buy if you're on a budget, or if not, because these headphones are pretty good on their own. So let's first talk about the price. These retail for about $350 US, but most of the time you'll find these boys on sale a lot. In my case, you can find these on sale on Best Buy for around $220 Canadian, while the AirPods Max cost $550 US and $700 something in Canada. So that's a significant amount of money to be saved. I'm literally saving 500 Canadian dollars for these. That's 2 AirPods Pros. That's crazy. So it's definitely a lot cheaper. But is it good? Well, the main selling point with the AirPods Pro and the Max are its noise cancelling, and these headphones do that. I think they work pretty well too, and they really do drown out the noise. If you're in a cafe, if you're commuting, and you can even use these in the gym. And I see a lot of people using these in the gym before lockdown, even though it didn't have an IPX rating. But most high-end headphones don't have those anyways, just like the AirPods Max. Basically, you can turn this on or off by pressing the power button twice. And the controls are very simple, very intuitive. The B button pauses and plays. 2 clicks, that's gonna skip a song. 3, it'll go back. And long press it, you get access to Siri. And above the B button is the volume up, below it is volume down. Another selling point for the AirPods Max is the compatibility with the ecosystem. It instantly connects with your Apple devices, and you could use it seamlessly across all of your devices without even doing anything else. And that's really what the ecosystem is about, the seamlessness and the ease of connecting your devices. But the Beats can do that too. These have Apple's W1 chip, and this allows it to pair very quickly with your Apple devices. And you get that seamlessness too when switching from one Apple device to another. So there are probably better options out there from other places like Bose and Sony. I can already hear the comments, but I really wanted something that would be compatible with the ecosystem. So it had to be an Apple product, and these Beats are technically Apple headphones. As for the sound, I'm not an audiophile, just an average user. I have no problems with these, and I actually enjoy listening with them. Beats used to be known for their heavy emphasis on bass, but listening to it, the vocals are pretty clear to me. The bass was not overkill, it was just fine and balanced. For an average user, I would say they're pretty much good enough. And the battery life has very good battery life. It claims to have 22 hours of battery life with noise cancelling and 40 without noise cancelling. And I really don't remember charging these very much. And also, it charges really well. You can get 3 hours of listening with only a 10-minute charge. And these are similar stats with the AirPods Max. So when it comes to battery life and charging, it's pretty much the same as the AirPods Max. As for comfort, I have no problem with using these for hours. It stays on my head, fit feels pretty good, the pads feel really soft, not too plush, just really the perfect amount for me. And another thing I like about it is you can actually turn these off. With AirPods Max, they don't actually turn off. They don't have a power button. When they're off your head, they go into a low power mode, and when you put them in the case, it doesn't turn off, it just goes in an even lower power mode. And speaking about the case, I think the case for the AirPods Max just looks silly and impractical. You can't take these just anywhere because the headphones don't fold. They don't even protect the headphones that well. I mean, look at it. It's literally not covered. The Beats have a nice, compact, hard shell case. It's perfect for traveling because it's compact and it's hard. It's gonna protect your headphones. So lastly, I want to talk about the looks. So the AirPods Max look very striking and unique. You don't see too many headphones that look like these, and some people will like them, some will hate them. I honestly don't don't know what to feel about these. Beats, on the other hand, have always been known to offer really good looking headphones, and I think that's a reason why they became so popular, right? With the iconic B logo, the really cool colors, and the athletes are wearing them. And it's no different for these. There are many color options. My favorite ones are the ones with the gold highlights, and the all red one looks really nice too. But I only have this black and red one. They look very standard, just what you'd expect over-ear headphones to look like. But the color schemes with Beats, they're just undeniably beautiful. So if you want something that can pretty much do what the AirPods Max can do, like noise cancelling and very good sound for the average user, long battery life, and fits the Apple ecosystem very well, then look no further than the Beats Studio 3. Like I said, has a nice case, abundance of features, good sound, it looks good, and has a really cheap price tag. And in my opinion, these might be the best alternative to the AirPods Max. So if you guys like this video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. I am trying to grow the channel, you guys, so any support I can get, I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a good day.